Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to subtract on Google Sheets. In order to do this, you first need to launch your Google Sheets project, and over here in this section you just have to select that particular column where you want to use the subtraction formula. After selecting the column, you just have to type equal to on your keyboard, and then you need to provide it the first value. So in order to select the first value, you just have to click on that particular column which you want to select. So let's say I want to select this particular column over here, and once I do this, you will notice that it has taken its range or its value. Then you just have to press dash from your keyboard. This will work as the subtraction symbol. After that, you need to provide it the second value. So let's say this is my second value. So after selecting it, you just have to press enter on your keyboard, and now you will notice that the subtraction formula is now added over here, and it has given the subtraction number over here. Similarly, you will be able to see the autofill option. So if you want to use the autofill option, then you just have to press this check button or control plus enter from your keyboard, and you are going to get the subtraction on each and every row and each and every column that you want. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.